Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or change your address in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So the first order that you make in Temu, then you provide your address, your information, and then it will be saved and you can change it. Or if you want to add your address before ordering something, you can do it if you go to the U option on the bottom of the screen. Then you have to click on the addresses, and here you can see that I can delete this address if I want to. Then I can add a new one, and after that I can use that address, or I can change it. For example, if I want to get my order in at my workplace, I can add that address and I can select that address when I order something. So if you want that, you can use more than one addresses. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.